Hey everybody, welcome to the Coco Divalicious cooking channel featuring moi, Chef ND. Today's recipe is chicken marsala, and the main feature, I guess you know, is chicken, but we're going to be using chicken cutlets. Also, we're going to use mushrooms, and we're going to use a little bit of marsala wine. That's going to set this dish up perfectly. Trust me, this is going to be delicious. You can serve this over pasta, you can roast some potatoes, or you can serve it over rice. It depends on what you want. But I'm going to serve mine over a little bit of pasta and a side of broccoli. And it's going to be yum, yum, yummy. And you know that. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. It was a labor of love fixing this dish. As you can see, that meal is ready and we are about to dig right in, me and my family. That's chicken marsala with mushrooms. I actually use two types of mushrooms. I use some portobellos and some cremini mushrooms, okay? And this is going to be très delicioso, okay? It's going to be really good. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel below. Also, the recipe with directions is going to also be listed below. Until next time, all I can say is, hey, good life, good eating. Try some of these recipes because you cannot go wrong. I will see you next time, again, here on the Coco Devalicious.